Have you noticed how the world feels different lately? People rush by, consumed by their own lives, their own worries. The past few years have pushed us apart, less time for each other, more time for conflict. It seems like we've forgotten something simple, how to care for one another. But what if we change that? What if small steps, tiny acts of kindness could make a world of difference? A moment to help someone in need, a smile at a stranger, a pause to listen instead of arguing. It doesn't take much to remind someone they're not alone. We've become quick to argue, faster to fight, and slower to understand. In a world where we crave connection, why do we turn to conflict instead of compassion? Maybe it's because we've forgotten how powerful small gestures can be. Caring doesn't have to be grand. It's the little things. Checking in on a friend, saying thank you, offering a hand when someone's struggling. These are the steps that build bridges instead of walls. These are the steps that remind us we're all human. When we take a moment to care, the ripple effect is immeasurable. One act of kindness can spread, touching lives in ways we may never see. And in a world where hate often feels louder than love, these small steps matter more than ever. Imagine a world where we pause before judging, choose empathy over anger, and take time to help instead of hurt. A world where small steps lead to big changes. That world isn't far away. It's just waiting for us to take the first step. It starts with you, a smile, a kind word, a helping hand. Together, step by step, we can create a world with less hate and more love. Let's be the change we wish to see, one small step at a time.